How to check comment history on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right to the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to your activity. Now go to comments. And from here, all your comments will be appear over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.